So that is my greatest fear. My greatest fear is sahani samaha chidram samoha sacha vibramha savasudeva shanam vapi yamurutam shanam vapi vasudeva na chintayet. That is my greatest fear of all. Hani, it is the biggest loss and it's the biggest hole in our whole existence. Chidram. So moha, greatest illusion. Vibrama means bewilderment. We waste away this human life without remembering the name of the Lord. Like sandalwood pulp, so precious, but then we let it go into water. We rub and try to this fragrance, and then we just that human life. That is my greatest fear. That bhutani gacchanti yamalayam sheshastavaram icchanti kimas. Every minute, so many people are going to Yamalayam. They are going into different levels of suffering as per their karma, and the thing which really makes me very, very fearful is this apna sansmritim ghoram, this ghastly 8.4 million species of life, this ghastly 28 hellish planets, Atal, Vital, Sutal, Talatal, Rasatal, Patal. So there are 7 planets in Earth, planetary regions actually. Earth is in the middle and 7 below, 7 up. So mostly, Udvam Gacchanti Sasvastu Madhyatishtanti Rajasa Jaganni. So we go down. So if we forget the Lord, so it's a law of karma. The Lord is not cruel or something. It's because He has given us this free will and we are misusing the free will. So we have to get every action as a reaction. So what I'm really fearful about is once I become an animal, then the thing is, there is no way. Suppose you fall down to a fish, you cannot directly jump back to a human being. You have to cross all the 900,000, 200,000, 11 lakhs, whatever. So all this bodily species you have to cross, from aquatics to germs, insects, and trees, and quadrupeds, and mammals, and you have to cross all this. You have to spend like millions of years living in that body. You're trapped. You can't do anything. You may remember how much you tadapi abhalatam jata tesham, how much you wasted your human life. You may remember in those bodies, but it is too late to do anything, because you're trapped in a tree body, you're trapped in a fish body, and you will be killed by your predators. You can't do anything. You will suffer. You will experience death so many times. Death is the biggest pain. It's much more than disease. Any disease in this world, death is like 40,000 scorpions, 80,000 scorpions. I mean, they bite you at the same time in the scriptures. Even if you die in the time of sleep, that doesn't matter. The pain of death is there because soul has to leave the body, so that attachment with the body is very strong. The subtle body goes out so the subtle body and the soul is separate from the gross body. So that pain is very, very sharp, very that's the greatest pain in material existence. And then the pain in the hellish planets, where you don't die, but your body is thrown in the thorns and body is boiled in oil. And I mean, I can't describe. I'm sorry for being so pessimistic, so negative here, but it's really a fact. If you don't wake up to the fact in this human life, we have untold suffering coming to us, and that is what I am really fearful about. That's why I always do awaken and chant Hare Krishna.